Gonna be the coolest dishwasher in existence, right here. Coolest dishwasher. You take it here, you know, and you load it in here, grab up here, and you just slam it down, and there we go. There we go. Awesome. This is at the Astronomy FTX. Yeah. So. Yes. Okay. Of course I am.
We have the counter sitting up and starting here.
Alright. That's Chief. I know, it's amazing, isn't it? There you go, it goes to rinse mode. Alright everybody, this is game time. This opens up, it's getting real. It gets real. Alright, it's game time. Open her up, and there you go. Everything's all clean. It's steamy, hot, and then slide it on over.
That's trash.
The spaghetti is so good, but it's so taxy. It's like death. It's a death. That spaghetti is death to try to clean out.
It's like it's stuck in here.
It reminds me of that time when I was at encampment, you know, and there was this huge bucket, not bucket, but
Give me a fork.
Huge. Get a fork.
Who is these videos anyway?
I don't know.
Me neither. I don't know.
YouTube.
Yeah, post them on YouTube, you know. You know, promote CAP. But yeah, I when I was at support staff at encampment, I had. So when I was like at support staff at encampment, I had to like.
Where's that fork?
They gave me a big bucket full of mashed potatoes, and it was just full. It was all, the sides were all grummy. Oh, here's some forks. The sides were all grummy. The sides were all grummy and everything. And they're like, all right, wash the dishes. And they put the thing down right in front of me. And I was just like, what? So I had to go to the huge sink and I was like washing it out. And it was hot and it hurt my hand. Because like they only used hot water when they washed the dishes.
Oh, well, I guess I kind of have to use this hot water.
Yeah, so.
Okay, let's go wipe down the survey.
Alright, we have to go wipe down some things, so yay.